I am Ajay Bhatia from Hindwadi. I was a COVID patient detected on the 10th of July. Actually, I was going through a little bit of fever on the 3rd or so. I went to civil on the 4th to get myself checked for COVID positivity, but they did not. Again on the 8th, I went through a friend of mine, and then I got myself checked. I turned out positive and I was taken to civil hospital on the 10th. On going inside, while going into the hospital, I was very apprehensive about what it is going to be like, but at the same time I was not afraid. Since I had seen so many patients coming out of the hospitals even earlier to this, so I was very positive that I would come out. And when I went into the ambulance, even then I was smiling and happy, in a happy mood. I was not bogged down as such. And when I went there, I was given a room, a bed in a general ward. It was a new building, so the things were quite clean and good. While I was admitted there, initially I had a big apprehension about being along with the other COVID patients. It was not a good feeling at all, but the second or the third day I got used to it. And the fear of being admitted along with the other patients who might give me COVID was lost. I was also told by the doctors there that nothing to worry. Once you are a positive patient, you don't have anything to worry. Then on the third or the fourth day, I saw many other patients being admitted there who were in a very severe condition, and the treatment then was begun on them. They were well taken care of, and later on, many patients were brought out of, almost all the patients were brought out of the COVID thing. Regarding my treatment, I used to be given about 7-8 tablets in the morning and 7-8 tablets in the evening, that is post lunch and post dinner. The doctors were not visible, as those who were coming to treat us and feed us and clean the hospital, they were all wearing the PPE kits. To differentiate the doctors from the other people, it was a little difficult. But during all this, I stayed there almost for 10 days. During all this, I never got frightened or never had the doubt that I could make it and I would make it. And seeing so many patients being brought back from a very drastic situation, I can say, or very advanced illness, they were all brought out of it, and they were all later on very happily mingling between each other. From morning 6 o'clock, we used to get a first round of tea at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 to 6:30. I would then get up, take a little bit of walk in the galleries, and do a little bit of yoga, then wait for the medicines to come. At around 9 or so, 9 to 9:30, or maybe sometimes at 10 o'clock, we used to get our morning breakfast. Then we used to get the tablets. The tablets used to be sent in a very wonderful way, packed in small packets, like we go to Kirana shop. They give you in a pudi. The name of the particular patient would be written on that packet, and that particular packet used to be given and delivered to the patient by the staff. It was a wonderful experience because the patient specific medicine was administered to each and every patient. regarding the doctors, 2 doctors would come during the day, once in the morning and evening once. Since they were all in the PPE, it was a little difficult, but when they used to ask, how are you feeling, what are you feeling, then we used to realize that this person is the doctor. Then specifically, if we mentioned anything specific about our own illness or what treatment we wanted to be getting, when we were told, when we used to tell him, then the particular doctor would go down, enter into the computer, change the medicine, and the next time we would get a changed medicine. So the treatment was so well defined. Patient wise it was taken. Individual patient used to get the treatment that he needed. This is what I have seen. The rooms, the wards were very clean, as I think I have given in my earlier video also. And regarding the other patients, as I told you, there were patients who oxygen level had gone down below 50. They were also treated on oxygen, given the specific required medicines. They were also brought down. And another wonderful thing that I saw there was that there were about 6 patients who were seriously ill and they were not able to walk around or get into the bed by themselves. They had brought helpers for themselves. Those helpers, this is a very unique thing that I saw, were all negative people. They were not COVID patients. They had no symptoms, they had no anything. They were just helpers for the patients who were admitted because of COVID. And to my great astonishment, I can say that I have been in contact with 1 or 2 of these people, even after they have been left out from the hospital, that they have not got COVID. Being in about 25-30 people and without any other treatment being given to them, they were all able to sustain or not get corona for themselves. This is one very positive thing that I have noticed there in the hospital itself. And during my period there, my swab was taken 3 times. First time was when I was admitted, the second time was on the 5th day, and the third swab was on the 9th day. And twice I came out as positive, thrice rather. All the 3 times I came out positive, and luckily after the 10th day I was sent home, being asked to be home quarantined. And another 2 weeks I was in the house, in my room. Nobody used to come inside the room. The food used to be kept outside, and no mingling with people, since I had my own bathroom and all the things were in my own room. So there was no contact with anybody else except on the phone. And in the hospital also, the good thing was that I was allowed to use the phone, and I was in continuous contact with my friends and relatives and well-wishers. So that was a big boon, that I was not bogged down or I felt alone or I felt left out, since I was in total communication with my friends and family. Now, one aspect I would like to tell to viewers is that they should not be afraid of COVID, one thing. They should go with an open heart and a smile while going into the hospital or while taking treatment also, because COVID is not a killer disease. It's only patients who have many other things which are also along with the COVID, that they are dying also. So those who are now unfortunately catching this COVID should not be afraid of this disease at all. Thank you.